Alright, so we are back. The final day, the final countdown. No, just the final day. Shouldn't spitball too much. The final day of Hallowtines 2023. You guys excited for day 7, which is love? And I have all of my little Valentine's prompts here, except for day 7, you might notice, because literally the second I started filming, it disappeared into the void forever. It's a let's just call it an offering to the spirits of Hallowtines. May they forever be spooky, because I have lost that card and I don't care to print another. But we have the 6 cards here, so I think 6 out of 7 is good enough. We've made it to the end. My prompt today is love, and what I did, get out of my way, was make a little stamp so I can give you my heart, and I stamped it on this little canvas bag. And then, just for funsies, to show you what you could put in the bag, I made a chunky charm to go in. A little Halloween spooky chunky charm for my Valentines. Yeah. So, if you want to see how this was done, stay tuned. Okay, so to start out, I have this drawing of an anatomically correct heart. As close as anatomically correct as possible. I used a medical textbook as my reference. You guys can go online and look up pictures of these body parts or whatever you want to make your stamp out of, to get your images there. If you're not artistically inclined, you can just print out an image and use that as your stamp. Just be aware of like copyrights and fair use and stuff like that before you use that. But for the purposes today, you can get a image from Google and make your stamp to give your gifts, because that's not for sale. But yeah, if you do get an image and you aren't drawing, just be aware that whatever you trace down onto your linoleum or your stamp base has to go down reversed. So it has to be like facing you correctly and then down reversed, so that the image you're carving is the reverse of what you want. I don't think I explained that well. Whatever goes on your stamp base has to be the opposite of how you want your final product to be, so that when you stamp it, it'll be the right way. I don't have a lot of tips for like how to cut linoleum. This is mostly just stuff I've practiced. I have this new tool and it's a bit of a learning curve, so we were off to a bit of a rocky start when we jumped into this. What I can say is that if you don't have a lino cutter or like these kind of stamp making tools, you can make a stamp out of pretty much anything. A really great dupe is like foam, like little craft foam, and a stylus. You can like deboss inside the image that you want to use on the foam and have a stamp that'll look a lot like this, and you'll get a lot of uses out of that. You can also like fussy cut foam into a shape and use that as a stamp, and then just go back over and paint over the details if you want to do that. So there's a couple of options. There's lots of ways to make a stamped image without having this stuff. If you have this stuff, then great, you are crafting along with me. If not, you can also make stencils out of plastic to get the same similar effect. Here I took a test print of my stamp and decided that I wanted to copy the drawing a little bit better and get some more of those fine details in, but you could keep it pretty simple and just do the initial drawing, and that would work out perfectly. And here I'm going to stamp on this canvas bag, because that's what I'm going to put my gift in, and that's what I'm going to send my love in. So we get a little handmade with love bag. And I'm really happy with how that came out. I was a little bit nervous that I wouldn't get a good impression. You could make your own baggies too if you have fabric and don't have canvas bags. I just have a multitude of these from all my subscription boxes, so I had some extra bags to use. And now I'm just going to make a chunky charm really quick. If you want to see me do some more beadwork in detail, I have a storycraft about that, so you can see it a little bit closer and a little bit better. This was basically me just sort of flying through to show you an idea of what you could put in your bag as your little giftable. Candies would also work, but I don't have candies in my house because it's it's sad here. I don't know. I just don't have candy in my house. So I didn't have anything else to put in here. And since I was going to give my Valentine's some of the stuff that I've made so far, I figured why not go all the way and make something that she can use. So I'm just going to put these charms together real quick. I picked some Halloween charms and then some of these really bright, like vibrant pink chunky beads that I have that I've just been hoarding for a long time. And actually the last time I used these beads was for her. So she's just going to get the rest of the set. All right. And that was our project for the last day of Hallowtines Day. And what a fun ride it has been, you guys. I have really enjoyed crafting along with you guys and coming up with some spooky but sweet things to share. And I hope that you guys will give these a shot. I hope that you like what I made today. If you wanted to, you could even give your stamp as a gift. That would be fun, especially if you're gifting it to a crafter. And then we also come out with some of these cool little heart prints to use in our journals. So, a multi-versatile, layered, useful gift. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you were crafting along with me. If you weren't, I hope that you were at least watching along with me. Do not forget that if you are entering into the giveaway, you need to post all of your finished pictures, preferably on Instagram, because you're going to make April have to dig through Facebook to find them, so don't do that there. Go to Instagram, post them there, use the hashtag Hallowtines23done. That info will be in the description box below for you guys. But use that so that we can see your final products for all 7 days, and then we'll do the drawing for the winner on the 14th. So you have till the 12th to submit all your pictures, and the 14th we will announce the winner. So woo, excitement. I hope that you guys are excited. I can't wait to go look and see what everybody has made. Thanks for joining me. This has been an adventure. Definitely a departure from my normal, but a crap ton of fun, and I'm excited to give these gifts to my friend. If you haven't guessed yet, it's someone whose favorite colors are pink and black. It might be doing this challenge with me. That's my Valentine. So I'm giving her this stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of the challenge below. Would you like to see this again? I'd really love to know that. Before we bring it back, if we do next year, I'd like to know that, you want to see it. So let me know in the comments below. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate your face, and I hope that you have a happy Hallowtines Day wherever you are in the world. Until then, happy crafting. Bye!